Good morning, everyone, especially to you, Sir James.
What is evaluation? What is evaluation? Evaluation, the final step of management process, it looks towards both the process of management and the result. Meaning to say, evaluation provides a systematic method to study a program, practices, intervention, or initiative to understand how well it achieved its goal. Like, for example, when planning, organizing, controlling are done, the next is evaluation. Evaluation, it is your checking the checklist again, all the details of it's well done. Evaluation helps to determine what works well and what could be improved in a program or initiative. Example, in household, after building your house on your mansion, it's now the time to evaluate if everything is set or everything is polished. If there are still lack or if there's something to fix pa. Like, there are two types of evaluation in management process. First, general evaluation. Second, detailed evaluation. What is general evaluation? General evaluation, it might be casual and subjective. Without analyzing the outcome, thoroughly a manager may recognize a job as a good or bad in a given situation. So, general evaluation is when you evaluate is generally. Example, when you evaluate all the expenses you spend in making that house. General evaluation is the process of judging something or someone based on a set of standards. Example, students who have only complete secondary school and only will be applying for further education as a first year students. What is detailed evaluation? Detailed evaluation, it is an elaborate type of evaluation. This means determining the degree if excellence of the manager job of the home. One has looked into the different aspect of management. So, meaning to say, evaluation, detailed, you evaluate it like spend only in a furniture on paying labor and others. Detailed evaluation helps in judging the success and achievement of plan or action. Its main purpose is to see what has been achieved as a result of effective planning and controlling. Like, for example, education evaluation is acquiring and analyzing data to determine how each student's behavior evolves during their academic career.